Hey everybody, Miss Kline again, and this time we're going to do the unit Object Detection 1, and we're going to learn all about the touch sensor and how it helps the robot determine its proximity or how close it is to other objects on the field. So we're going to start with this first one. Is very basic. It's just meet the touch sensor. And we're going to use an HUD or heads-up display. And for this one, we're just, let me restart the mission because Ms. Kline's already gone through each lesson. And we're going to learn about the touch sensor. So let's get to know it. Next. And we're going to open up the heads-up display. And you can see we've already got a display there. We're going to go to full screen. So you can see that display on the left gives us information. Now we're going to take the wheel with our controller. So it looks like a controller that you would hold in your hand. So as soon as we get to the touch sensor, it changes from false to true because we've touched it. So if you want to take it easy, you go very carefully because it's very sensitive. That's great. So you're getting to know the heads-up display and the controller. Now in this next section, we're going to program the robot to do this. So we're going to meet the wait until touch block. It's like the wait for, but instead of time, it's going to be touch. So right now it says false, so it's not going to work. We're going to try it, and we'll notice that it doesn't go anywhere because it's not waiting to touch. So now we're going to change it from false to true, and it will wait until it touches the wall. Touch the wall, turned right, and it went forward. Good job. So this time we're going to code it by ourselves. And we're going to go forward, and you can zoom out so you can see the whole course. Forward, wait until touch, forward, wait until touch, turn right and go forward. So we have 2 right turns, 3 go forwards, 2 wait until touch. So drive powered forward, control flow, wait until touch is true. Now we want to turn right. So we need to import our smart blocks. We want to import the right turn. We're going to check the code, make sure the right turn looks good. If the block is in color, that means it's going to work. Now we're going to drive forward again. We're going to wait until touch. We're going to call our right turn again. And this is the last time we'll go forward. We'll test it out. So go forward, wait until touch, turn right, go forward, wait until touch, turn right, go forward, hit the target. Yay! So our next activities, we're going to fill in the smart blocks. We want to make sure the code is working. So we're going to make sure our right turn is filled in. Looks good. Until touch is filled in. It looks good. I'm going to restart the mission. So we're going to tighten up our smart blocks. The robot needs to go forward, turn right, and go forward to the target. We've made a new smart block called Until Touch. We're going to test it out, see if it works. Ah, the Until Touch is not working. So we're going to go and fix it. So click on the Until Touch. Ah, we don't have the smart block in there yet. So we're going to complete the code. Add the required code. Now we fixed the code and we're going to test it out. So we'll go forward. Oh, we're not driving forward yet. Drive forward until touch, right turn, drive forward. Yay. So our smart blocks are working, the until touch, the right turn, and then we had to add the go forward. So left turns can be smart turns. So we're going to try to make a new smart block. So we'll just kind of restart the program. Good job. So we're going to make our own smart block. We want to go forward, wait until touch, turn left, and go forward. Going to make a new smart block and call it left turn. And click create. Now we're ready to go. So we're going to drive forward and control flow. We're going to wait until touch. And then we're going to do a left turn. Which is, if you need to make a new one, you'll go to new smart block, but there's a left turn in here for us. So we're going to go slowly to the left at 1750 milliseconds. After that left turn, oh, I see this one isn't working. So we're going to throw that away. We're going to make a new one. So we're going to go to smart blocks, new smart block, left turn. So we'll probably call this left turn new because Ms. Kline has made a left turn in the past. We want to make sure it works. So left turn new is going to need to drive forward, set the steering. Whenever we steer, we slow down to 15. We're going to add the data variable. Steering is going to be minus for the left, 100% to full turn. And our control flow is going to be, for all our turns, is 1750 if we're going at 15% power. So we have a left turn new. So let's see if this block is working. Good, because we just made it. If it's not in color, it means your smart block isn't working and it might be confused from earlier blocks that you've made. So we've turned left, now we're going to go forward. So we're going to hit run, go forward, wait until touch, turn left, and go forward. Yay, we did it. So now we're going to learn how to duplicate blocks. So we're going to restart the code. So you can see that CoderZ has given us a bunch of blocks to work with, but we're going to learn how to copy those blocks. And it's really easy. You just click on a block, control click or right click it, and click duplicate. So now we can see we want to, let's zoom out a little bit so we can see our course. We want to go forward, wait until touch, turn right, go forward, wait until touch, turn right, go forward. So we're going forward, wait until touch, so we can see we need to duplicate this. Control click or right click, duplicate. So we drive forward, wait until touch. This is our right turn. Then we drive forward, wait until touch. We want to do our right turn again. So control click and duplicate. There's a right turn. And then we want to go forward again. So in this one, you'll notice we added the duration as part of the block. That's like the wait for at 1750. It shows the duration. So it's the same thing. And now we're going to drive forward. So control click or right click, duplicate, and that's the end of the code. So you can see we're driving forward. We're going to wait until touch. We're going to turn right, drive forward, wait until touch, turn right, drive forward. So the more you do this, the faster you get because you understand and you remember what you're building. So we're going to duplicate some more blocks. So I'm just kind of going to restart the mission. So we're going to write our own code, but duplicating the blocks makes it faster for us. So we're going to be going forward, wait until touch, turn right, forward, wait until touch, turn right, forward, wait until touch, turn right, forward. So I've got it several times. So we're going to need to do this. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. So we need to go forward. We're going to go forward. We're going to go forward. We're going to go forward. So we have 4 forwards in there. Now we're going to go wait until touch. And we're going to duplicate that because we're going to need it. So we wait until touch. This is the second set, wait until touch, and we did it one more time. So we're going to duplicate that one more time. So now we have a drive forward, wait until touch, and now we need a right turn again. Remember, we can add the steering and add the duration. But we have to go to data and grab the little integer blocks that we'll fill in with 15% power. We want to slow it down. We know that every time we do a turn at 15% power, we want to do it for 1750 milliseconds. And the steering is going to be a right turn, so it's a positive 100. So we don't want to do that again. We want to duplicate it. So control click, duplicate, or right click. Out of the way. That's our first set. And then there's our second set, and now our third set. So we need to duplicate this one more time. And then this is our final go forward. So I'm going to move this set here. And this set here. And then our final go forward. And that should be enough code. Let's test that out. So drive forward, wait until touch, turn right, drive forward, wait until touch, turn right, drive forward, wait until touch, turn right, and drive forward. Yay! So we're going to write our own code again for another turning exercise. Let's zoom out to see what our course looks like. I'm going to restart the mission since I've already solved it once. We've always got our tips. Then we can zoom out. Good job. We're going to go forward and turn right and go forward and turn right. Looks like this time we might have a right turn smart block we can use. Let's see if we're able to use that. Okay, so motor, I'm going to drive forward. And we're going to wait until touch. Now we're going to turn right. Okay, our right turn is not working. Ah, that one was empty, that's why. Okay, so our right turn CZ looks like it's working. Good job. Okay, so we're gonna go back to main. Let's see if our right turn is gonna turn a color. There we go. If it's in color, it'll work. So right turn, looks like we need to build it though. Let's see if that one is running. Just gonna wait until touch. Let's see if the right turn works. Okay, it needs to be built, so we'll put that in there. And we remember how to build a right turn. So it's 15% power. And then add our variables, or integers, excuse me. And our duration is 1750 milliseconds. And the steering is going to be 100% positive. So that's to the right. So our right turn should work. It's ready to go. So drive forward, wait until touch, right turn. Now we're going to copy this again. Control, duplicate. Control, duplicate. Control, duplicate. So we've gotten to this wall, then this one. We need to do that one more time. Control, duplicate, or right click, duplicate. Control, duplicate. Control, duplicate. And then we want one final drive straight. See how that goes. Go forward, wait until it touches. Good, and our right turn works. Excellent. If your right turn, if your smart block or your function block doesn't work, you just check the code for it. And if you zoom out, you can see your whole course. So yay, you did it. You did the whole mission. So once again, you're going to take a screenshot of your missions that you've completed. Don't forget to hold down the control and the minus so that you can make sure we're taking a picture of the correct one. And then you can make it small enough so that you can take a screenshot. So great job, everybody. Really proud of you. You're moving through this and you're almost ready for the March competition. Good job.